Welcome to the Weather Centre, where we can expect some rain from the south coast of the Western Cape right the way through to KwaZulu-Natal on Tuesday night, and that's due to a cold front brushing along South Africa's coastline. Scattered thunderstorms are expected over the southeastern and eastern interior, with isolated thunderstorms from the Northern Cape right the way through to Gauteng and Mpumalanga, and we're still forecasting thundershowers over the far northeastern part of the country. The South African Weather Service have issued a watch of the possibility of severe thunderstorms on Tuesday, with potentially large hail and damaging wind within the shade of amber. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with scattered thunderstorms expected over parts of the Eastern Cape, KZN and the Free State, with isolated thundershowers extending in a band from Namibia right the way through to the Free State, including Gauteng and parts of Mpumalanga, with a 40% chance of thundershowers over the far northeastern part of South Africa, and we're also expecting a 40% chance of rainfall due to that cold front from the south coast of the Western Cape through to KwaZulu-Natal on Tuesday night. Uppington can expect a high just shy of 40. We head into the mid-30s for Kimberley and R, 29 for Cape Town and Johannesburg, 30 degrees for Pietermaritzburg. We head into the mid-20s along the coast between George and East London, 33 for Mahikeng and Richards Bay, 32 degrees for Bombela, with Pretoria also expecting a hot day at 31. Now along the west coast, we're expecting good beach conditions on Tuesday, and that's mainly for Namaqualand and Lambert's Bay, with moderate winds in the forecast. Fresh winds are expected for Longabon and Alexander Bay, so moderate beach conditions there. And along the west coast, we'll see a 2-meter southwesterly swell with high tide at around 8:15 in the morning. Good beach conditions are expected for the Cape Town Atlantic side, with a moderate south-southeasterly wind. Strong winds are forecast for False Bay and Cape Agulhas, with a fresh southeasterly wind for Hermanus, and moderate beach conditions there. In the southwest, we'll see a 3-meter southwesterly swell. Moderate beach conditions are expected along the south coast due to the possibility of rainfall, with a moderate southeasterly wind for Mussel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, more of a southerly wind for Jeffreys Bay, and a southwester as we head towards Port Elizabeth, with a 3-meter southwesterly swell and wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. Now along the east coast, we can expect a good beach day for Durban and Richards Bay, other than the possibility of rainfall in the evening, with a moderate northeasterly wind for Richards Bay, and in Durban a light southerly wind as that low moves through. More of a southwester though for East London and the Wild Coast, and along the east coast we'll see a 1.5-meter swell with wave heights between 2 and 3 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful Tuesday.